Welcome back to my channel. This is Majestic Curls, and we're going to be talking about today this black rice water. Everybody's been going crazy over it. I've been wanting to try it, so this is what we're about to do today. So you're going to need your supplies: a mason jar, you're going to need your black rice, and 1 measuring cup. So these benefits are crazy. So using rice water will allow your hair and scalp to absorb the vitamin topically, which has tons of vitamins. It's good for blood circulation, which has niacin and vitamin B3. It revitalizes dull, weak hair by improving blood circulation. Along with folic acid and selenium magnesium, it also promotes hair growth. Inositol increases hair elasticity, making the hair stronger and more flexible. Increased flexibility helps to create a more defined curl pattern and bouncy curl. Allantoin has an anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps in reducing inflammation in the scalp and increases elasticity in the hair follicles. Thiamine or vitamin B1 helps the body deal with stress. This can lead to a reversing hair loss while giving your hair shine and bounce. You'll fill your jar up with water. It doesn't have to be boiled. You'll want to let it ferment for about 48 hours. It will definitely allow all those vitamins and properties to come out of the rice and get in that water. So when you spray it on your hair is good to go.
$2,000 later.
Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is the rice water. So pretty much what I'm going through with my hair, I was just going to try the rice water just to be doing it to see if it works or how it works. But now I have a purpose, and it's very saddening. My hair is going through postpartum shedding. And this side was always thin, but it's getting worse. And my hair tangles up really bad. I had to literally wash my hair and deep condition it before I went on ahead and put this on because it was so tangled and matted. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video to see the results on the rice water. So I'm going to take this jar of rice water. Actually, I have black rice water, not the regular rice water. So this, they say, it's supposed to be it's supposed to grow your hair out a little bit faster than the regular rice water. Not sure. I haven't even used the regular white. That is a tongue twister. Jesus. I have not used the regular white rice water. So we're going to see what this does. I feel like I probably should just go for this one, considering the fact that I really need a lot of protein, and this provides it. And okay, it's been sitting for 48 hours. So it's a little okay. Wow. Oh, Jesus.
Give us more.
It smells like, oh, pray about this. It smells like when you dig the stuff off from under your toenail. All right. I just had to take a brief intermission because that was driving me nuts. I got some tea tree oil, and I'm going to add this in here because this smells ridiculous. Adding my drops to this.
Is that what that plastic thing is for?
So I'm going to pour this black white. Why am I saying white? Black rice water in my spray bottle. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. Clearly, I might have more juice left over. I don't know if I'm even gonna use all of this in one sitting. But then again, I might, because my hair is pretty thick. And see, I still got juice left over. I need a bag to go on my head. Oh, there's one right there. I don't have any more plastic caps. So, Family Dollar. It smells like toe jam. is a fancy little spray bottle. So what it's spraying to where it like continuously sprays, where you don't have to get like a straight shot. Ugh, this stuff stink, yo. It's like a mister. I'm getting this stuff everywhere. Yeah, look at it. It's giving me wine vibes. I should have lit a candle doing this. I should have kept that other spray bottle.
What's wrong with that? Is that spraying like you want it?
No, it is. It's just taking a minute. I could do better with the
Other type of spray on?
yeah, cause I ain't doing nothing but just getting this on the hair. So it ain't like I really need. Alright, so I am completely covered with black rice water. So I just noticed with this postpartum shedding, starting to come up here and do it now. First it was over here. Now it's all around the perimeter, around my edges. Last time my hair did this is when I had Mirena, my birth control, and my hair started doing this. But now I've noticed it's receding or falling out on my edges. So I'm probably gonna do this maybe a couple of times out of the month, or maybe once a month. I don't know. It depends on how potent this is. But I got it covered. Ooh, all over. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes and then wash it off and figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. Be right back. All right, so it has been 30 minutes and I just washed it out. I washed it out with my As I Am Grow Yogurt cleansing conditioner. And now I'm going to let me see. Let's look at this. Let's see. Definitely gonna have to work on my edges and keep working on it. My scalp is good and clean. Oh, I got some color on my hair. I don't even know nothing about it. My hair definitely has like a strong feeling, so you can tell it's protein treatment on it. Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing this.